Today, I want to introduce our laser rust removing and cleaning machines to you. These machines have been in the market for more than 10 years and are efficient and stable. Today, I will take you to learn more about the working principles, types, and characteristics. First of all, we have two major types of laser rust removing and cleaning machines, pulse type and continuous wave type. Pulse type: the Puse type is suitable for light cleaning tasks such as paint removal, antique restoration, kitchen cabinet decontamination, etc., particularly good at dealing with rust on wood, stains on tiles, and even cleaning the surface of jewelry. We have a variety of pulse machines, ranging from 100 watts to 300 watts, to meet your different needs. Continuous wave type: the continuous wave type is more powerful and designed for commercial and industrial projects. Able to complete large-scale rust removing and cleaning tasks without damaging the substrate surface. Equipped with power ranging from 1000 watts to 3000 watts to ensure efficient completion of tasks.